ciggies.
I think it's called like a salute to the sun.
Yeah, but what does it clear your lungs out?
It clears your lungs out, right? And once you push it out, you just... Oh, shit. You've got to keep doing it.